Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Lab with Anna and Leo.
Hi, everyone. I'm Leo, and I'm happy to be here learning English with you today.
Today, we have a fun and useful topic at the airport.
Oh, that sounds exciting. We'll learn English for traveling and flying, right?
Exactly. You will learn real phrases people use at airports, like checking in, going through security, and talking to airline staff.
Great. I want to understand everything when I travel.
Perfect. This lesson is for beginners, and we will use easy words and short sentences so you can follow and repeat at home.
So, if you are traveling soon, this is the perfect episode for you.
Yes, you can practice how to speak English confidently when you go to the airport.
Awesome. Let's start learning.
Okay, the first step when you go to the airport is check in.
Check in means when I give my luggage and get my ticket, right?
Exactly. You go to the airline counter with your passport and your bag.
And the airline staff will ask questions.
Yes, let's practice the most common ones. The staff might say, "Good morning, where are you flying to today?"
And I can answer, "Good morning. I'm flying to London."
Excellent. Then they might say, "May I see your passport, please?"
Sure, here it is.
Great job. Next, they could ask, "Do you have any bags to check?"
That means if I have a suitcase to put on the plane, right?
Exactly. So you can say, "Yes, I have one bag to check." Or, "No, just to carry on."
Carry-on is the small bag I take with me on the airplane.
Perfect, Leo. After that, they might ask, "Would you like a window or an aisle seat?"
Window seat or aisle seat? I like the window seat. I like to see the clouds.
Me too. So you can say, "Window seat, please."
Window seat, please.
Excellent pronunciation. Then the staff will say, "Here's your boarding pass. Your gate number is A12. Boarding starts at 9:30.
Boarding pass. That's the paper that shows my flight number, gate, and seat.
Correct. You need it to get on the plane.
So after that, I can say, "Thank you very much."
Perfect. Then, after check-in, you go to security control.
Ah, yes. That's the part where you take off your shoes and go through the scanner.
That's right. The officer might say, "Please place your bag on the belt. Take off your jacket and shoes. Remove any liquids or electronics."
Yes, I always forget to take out my laptop.
That's common. You can only carry small liquids less than 100 milliliters.
Right, like shampoo, lotion, or toothpaste.
Exactly. After you walk through the scanner, they may say, "You're good to go," or "You may go ahead."
That means everything is okay.
Yes, but sometimes they say, "Excuse me, can you step aside, please?"
Uh-oh, that sounds serious.
Don't worry. It just means they need to check something, maybe your bag or belt.
Okay, so I can say, "Sure, no problem."
Perfect answer. Always stay calm and polite at the airport.
Got it. So after security, I go look for my gate.
Yes, you look at the departure board, that big screen with all the flight information.
It shows flight numbers, destinations, and gate numbers.
Exactly. If your gate changes, you can see it there.
Okay, so I can ask someone, "Excuse me, where's gate A12?
Excellent. And they might answer, "It's straight ahead," or "It's to your left."
Easy. Straight ahead means just go forward.
That's right. Once you find your gate, you wait until the flight starts boarding.
Great. I feel ready to travel now.
Wonderful. Now we will learn English for boarding the plane, talking to flight attendants, and finding your seat.
Awesome.
Now we're going to practice what happens after security, like finding your gate, boarding the plane, and talking to the flight attendants. Ready, Leo?
Yes, I'm ready. Let's go.
Great. So, Leo, after you go through security, you usually walk to the departure area. Do you know what to do next?
Maybe I look for my gate number.
Exactly. You need to find your gate. You can check it on the big departure board. For example, it says, "Flight 452 to London, gate 18, boarding at 3:30 p.m."
Oh, I see. So I should go to gate 18 before 3:30 p.m.
Perfect. And when you get there, you usually wait in the boarding area until they call your group.
What does boarding mean?
Boarding means getting on the plane. When they say boarding now, it means passengers can start entering the aircraft.
Oh, okay. Like boarding time means it's time to go inside the plane.
Exactly. Now let's practice a small dialogue you might hear at the gate. Good afternoon. We are now boarding flight 452 to London. Please have your passport and boarding pass ready.
So I give them my passport and boarding pass, right?
Yes, that's right. And they will say, have a nice flight.
And I can answer, thank you.
Perfect. That's polite and friendly. Okay, Leo, now you are on the plane. Do you know how to find your seat?
Yes, I look at my ticket. It says something like seat 12A.
Correct. The letter shows if you're near the window, middle, or aisle. A is usually the window seat. C is aisle seat.
Oh, I always want the window seat.
Me too. Now imagine a short conversation between you and the flight attendant.
Excuse me, where is seat 12A?
It's right here, sir. The window seat.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Please place your bag under the seat in front of you or in the overhead bin.
The overhead bin. What is that?
That's the compartment above your seat where you put your carry-on luggage.
Oh, I know. I put my small suitcase there.
Exactly. During the flight, you can ask the flight attendants for help. For example,
Like if I want water?
yes, you can say, "Excuse me, can I have some water, please?"
Excuse me, can I have some water, please?
Perfect pronunciation, Leo.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome. You can also ask for other things. Can I have a blanket, please? Can I have some coffee, please? Can I have headphones, please?
That's easy.
Yes, and when the attendant gives it to you, you always say thank you.
Of course.
Now, Leo, before the plane takes off, the flight attendants give safety instructions.
Oh, yes. They talk about seat belts, exits, and oxygen masks.
That's right. They usually say, please fasten your seatbelt. Please turn off all electronic devices. Make sure your seat is in the upright position.
Okay, I know these phrases.
Perfect. You're becoming a real traveler now. Let's review some useful words before we continue. Gate, the place where you wait to board the plane. Boarding pass, the ticket that lets you get on the plane. Aisle, the space between the seats. Overhead bin, the compartment above the seats. Fasten, to close or lock your seatbelt.
Nice, that helps me remember.
Great. In the next part, we'll practice arriving at your destination, going through customs, and picking up your luggage.
That's the last part, right?
Yes, that will be the final part of our airport adventure.
Okay, I'm excited.
Now we're going to talk about arriving at your destination, customs and baggage claim.
Great, I'm ready to land, teacher.
Okay, Leo. So imagine the plane just landed. The pilot says, "Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to New York. The local time is 3:45 p.m.
Oh, that's exciting. I always feel happy when the plane lands safely.
Me too. Now, when the plane stops, you have to wait until the seatbelt sign is off. Then you can stand up and take your things.
And that's when everyone runs to take their bags.
Yes, that's true. But it's better to wait calmly. After you leave the plane, you go through immigration and then to baggage claim.
Immigration. That's where they check your passport, right?
Exactly. You show your passport and answer a few simple questions. Let's practice that conversation. Good afternoon. May I see your passport, please?
Sure, here you go.
What is the purpose of your visit?
I'm here for vacation.
How long will you stay?
2 weeks.
Where will you stay?
At a hotel in Manhattan.
Okay, enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
That was great, Leo.
Thanks. I was a little nervous.
That's normal. Just remember to speak slowly and clearly. They only want to confirm that everything is okay. After immigration, you'll go to baggage claim to get your suitcase.
Oh, yes, where all the bags go around in a big circle.
Exactly. That's called a carousel.
Carousel?
Like the thing in the park for kids?
Yes, same word, but this one is for luggage. You'll hear announcements like, baggage from flight 452 from London will arrive at Carousel 6.
So I go to Carousel 6 and wait for my bag.
Perfect! And if you can't find your bag, you can ask for help.
Oh, I need to learn that sentence.
Sure, you can say, "Excuse me, I can't find my suitcase. Can you help me, please?"
Excuse me, I can't find my suitcase. Can you help me, please?
Excellent. And they'll ask you to describe your bag. What color is it? How big is it?
I can say, it's black and medium size.
Perfect. Simple and clear.
Now, the next step is customs. They check if you are bringing anything special into the country, like food, alcohol, or expensive items.
Oh, okay. What should I say there?
Usually, if you have nothing special, you can say, "I have nothing to declare."
I have nothing to declare. That means I don't have anything important or restricted, right?
Exactly. If you do have something, you say, "I need to declare some items."
That's easy.
Yes, and after customs, you are free to leave the airport. Now you're in the arrival hall. What's next, Leo?
Maybe I need a taxi or an Uber?
Exactly. You can say, "Excuse me, where can I get a taxi? Is there a bus to the city center?"
Or maybe, how much is a taxi to the hotel?
Perfect question. You're ready for real travel now?
I feel like I can survive at any airport in the world.
That's the goal. Let's review the key words from this episode. Immigration, passport control area after landing, baggage claim, where you pick up your suitcase, carousel, the moving belts for luggage, customs, area that checks what you bring into the country, declare, to report items you're carrying.
Nice. That's a lot of new words.
Yes, but you did great. All right, travelers, that's the end of our lesson. At the airport, real English conversation for travel.
I love this one. It was so real and useful.
I'm glad, Leo. And to everyone listening, don't forget to practice out loud. The more you speak, the more confident you'll feel when you travel.
Yes. And if you like this episode, please like, comment, and subscribe to our podcast.
That's right. And tell us in the comments, what's the first country you want to visit?
I want to go to Brazil.
Good choice. Okay, everyone. See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.
Bye, travelers.